I've been a white rover for many a year, and I spent all my money on whiskey and beer. But now I'm returning with gold in great store, and I never will play the white rover no more. And it's no, nay, never, no, nay, never, no more will I play the white rover. No, never, no more. I went to an alehouse I used to frequent, and I told the landlady me money was spent. I asked her for credit, she answered me nay. Such a customer as yours I can have any day. And it's no, nay, never, no, nay, never, no more will I play the white rover. No, never, no more. Took out of me pocket 10 sovereigns bright, and the landlady's eyes opened wide with delight. She said, I have whiskies and wines of the best, and the words that I told you were only in jest. And it's no, nay, never, no, nay, never, no more will I play the white rover. No, never, no more. Go home to my parents, confess what I've done, and ask him to pardon their prodigal son. And when they caressed me as of times before, I never shall play the white rover no more. And it's no, nay, never, no, nay, never, no more shall I play the white rover. No, never, no more. And it's no, nay, never, no, nay, never, no more will I play the white rover. No, never, no more. And it's no,